Step into a realm of wonder and mystique, where the spirits of nature and the elements come alive with wisdom and grace. In this captivating video, we embark on an enchanting adventure, envisioning a reality where we possess the extraordinary ability to communicate with the very essence of our natural world. Join us as we delve into the depths of this captivating scenario, exploring the profound connection between humankind and the spirits that dwell in every leaf, breeze, and river. The awakening of senses, Gale. As we venture into this wondrous reality, our senses awaken to the whispers of the wind, the laughter of the waves, and the secrets of the forests. Discover the language of the elements and the messages they bear, guiding us toward harmony and balance with the world around us. A symphony of emotions, Seedling. Embrace a symphony of emotions as we commune with the spirits of nature. Unravel the wisdom and ancient knowledge they hold, and immerse ourselves in their vast understanding of the cycles of life. The wisdom of the elements, Fire. Through the spirits of nature and the elements, we gain insights into the interconnectedness of all living beings. Embrace the lessons they impart about respect for the earth, its creatures, and the delicate ecosystems that sustain life. Healing and renewal, Droplet. In the presence of these ethereal beings, experience profound healing and renewal. Learn to nurture our spirits as we connect with the energy that flows through every blade of grass, every flower, and every mountain peak. Guardians of nature, Deciduous tree. As we converse with the spirits of nature, we assume the role of guardians and stewards of the earth. Embrace our responsibility to protect the fragile balance of the environment, safeguarding the sanctity of nature for generations to come. The journey within, Milky Way. Through spirit communication, we embark on a journey of self-discovery and introspection. Embrace the profound connection between our inner selves and the world around us, realizing that we are all part of a vast cosmic dance. Returning with wisdom, Rainbow. As our extraordinary journey comes to an end, we return to the physical realm, carrying the wisdom and harmony we have acquired. Armed with newfound understanding, we set forth to create a reality where humanity lives in harmony with nature, cherishing the spirits that animate our planet. Conclusion, Glowing Star. In this mesmerizing video, we have embarked on a journey beyond the veil, where we communicate with the spirits of nature and the elements. Embrace the wonders of spirit communication and explore the vast realms of wisdom that await us in the embrace of the natural world. Together, let us forge a future where humanity's bond with nature remains unbroken, fostering a world of harmony, compassion, and reverence.